Hey everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. How are you today? I hope you're all doing great and feeling energized. Today, I have a special recipe for you: pear, banana, and orange juice. The combination of these three fruits will create a sweet, refreshing, and creamy taste in one glass. Who here loves pears? Or maybe you prefer bananas? Or are you a big fan of oranges? Well, if you love all three, then you absolutely have to try this juice. Oh, and I'll also share some tips on how to pick perfectly ripe pears, how to store bananas so they don't get mushy too quickly, and tricks to keep orange juice fresh without tasting bitter. So don't skip the video. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Ingredients preparation. Ingredients needed: 1 pear, peeled and chopped, 1 ripe banana for a creamier texture, 2 sweet oranges, juiced, 200 ml cold water or coconut water for extra freshness, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or milk, optional for a sweeter and smoother taste, ice cubes as needed, optional, tools, used, 1 blender, 1 knife and cutting board, 1 serving glass, 1 strainer, optional for a smoother texture. Wow, the ingredients are super easy to find, right? The combination of pears, bananas, and oranges isn't just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. We're using ripe bananas to get a naturally sweet and creamy texture. Meanwhile, oranges will add a refreshing taste that balances the smoothness of bananas and the juiciness of pears. If all the ingredients are ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choosing and preparing the fruits. Before we start making the juice, I want to share some tips on choosing the best fruits so the juice turns out even tastier. Tips for choosing oranges and cutting steps. Choose oranges that feel heavy when held, as this means they are juicy. Oranges with smooth and thin skin usually contain more juice than thick-skinned ones. Avoid oranges that are too hard or still green, as they are usually not fully ripe. If you want a sweeter taste, pick oranges with a bright orange color without too many green spots. Avoid oranges with overly thick and dry skin, as they may lack juice. After selecting a good orange, peel it. Tips for choosing bananas and cutting steps. Use bananas that are already ripe with small brown spots on the skin. This means they are sweeter and creamier. Avoid green bananas as they can taste slightly bitter and less sweet. If the banana is very ripe and almost mushy, it's actually perfect for juice because it has a stronger flavor. Don't store bananas in the fridge if you plan to use them within a few days, as they can turn black faster. Peel the banana and cut it into small pieces to make blending easier. For a colder and creamier juice, you can freeze the banana pieces first. If you want a fresher juice, add a little lemon juice to keep the banana's color bright. Tips for choosing pears and cutting steps. Choose pears that are slightly soft when pressed near the stem. If they are still hard, let them sit at room temperature for a few days. You can use any type of pear: green, yellow, or red. They all work. Wash the pear thoroughly and soak it in salt water for a few minutes to remove dirt. Peel the skin if you want a smoother juice. But if you like fiber, you can leave the skin on. Cut the pear into smaller pieces to make blending easier. Remove the core and seeds. Health benefits of pears, bananas, and oranges. Pears, high in fiber, aids digestion and supports heart health. Bananas, a natural energy source, rich in potassium, and good for muscle and heart health. Oranges, high in vitamin C, boosts immunity, and refreshes the body. All set? Now let's move on to the blending process. Step 3. Blending. Add the pear pieces into the blender first. The pear, Pyrus communis, is an oblong or oval-shaped fruit with light green or yellow-green skin. Pears have soft white flesh and contain seeds. Next, add the sliced banana. Banana is a tropical fruit that is curved, seedless, and yellow in color. Bananas have soft, slimy flesh and a sweet flavor. Then pour in the freshly squeezed orange juice. Citrus fruits are citrus fruits that have thick skin, segmented flesh, and contain many vitamins and minerals. Oranges come in a variety of shapes, colors, and textures. Add cold water or coconut water for extra freshness. If you want a sweeter and creamier taste, add honey or milk as desired. Put in some ice cubes if you like your juice colder and more refreshing. Close the blender lid and turn it on at medium to high speed. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until all ingredients are completely smooth and well combined. If the texture is still too thick, add a little more water and blend again until you reach the desired consistency. Now, this is the most exciting part. Blending. Make sure all the ingredients are in the blender, then turn it on until the texture becomes completely smooth and well mixed. Oh, and if you prefer a thinner juice, you can add a little more water. But if you want a creamier texture, just stick to the original measurements. Characteristics of each fruit pear. Pyrus communis. Pears are oblong or oval-shaped fruits with light green or yellowish-green skin. They have soft white flesh and contain seeds in the core. Bananas are tropical fruits with a curved shape, seedless and yellow-skinned. They have a soft, slightly slimy texture and a naturally sweet taste. Oranges are citrus fruits with thick skin, segmented flesh, and rich in vitamins and minerals. They come in various shapes, colors, and textures. Health benefits of pear, banana, and orange checkmark. Pear high in fiber, aids digestion, and supports heart health. Helps maintain gut health, prevents constipation, and reduces stomach irritation. Lowers the risk of heart disease, regulates blood pressure, and controls cholesterol levels. Supports weight management by keeping you full longer and being low in calories but high in fiber and water. Banana natural energy source, rich in potassium, and great for heart and muscle health. Supports digestive health by preventing diarrhea and promoting gut function. Helps with weight management by controlling hunger due to its high fiber content. Improves kidney health and aids in post-workout recovery. The peel contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help in wound healing. Contains folic acid, which is beneficial for pregnant women to prevent birth defects. Boosts immunity with vitamin C, and helps rejuvenate the skin when mixed with honey. Orange. The most consumed fruit in the world, with over 600 varieties. High in vitamin C, boosts immunity, and helps fight infections. Rich in antioxidants that reduce the risk of heart disease and regulate blood pressure. Supports digestive health by preventing constipation and improving gut function. Helps purify the blood and promotes toxin elimination from the body. Strengthens bones and teeth by aiding calcium absorption. Prevents kidney stones by reducing urinary citrate levels. Helps reduce asthma symptoms by minimizing inflammation in the airways. Unique facts about each fruit. Pears have been cultivated for over 4,000 years, originating from China. The ancient Greeks considered pears a gift from the gods. Pears ripen from the inside out, which is why they may feel firm on the outside but soft inside. There are over 3,000 varieties of pears worldwide. Unlike most fruits, pears do not ripen on the tree, but after being harvested. Bananas are technically berries, according to botanical classification. The banana plant is not a tree, but the world's largest herbaceous flowering plant. There are more than 1,000 banana varieties globally, but only a few are commercially sold. Bananas contain a natural chemical that makes people feel happy, similar to chocolate. A cluster of bananas is called a hand, and each banana is called a finger. Oranges originated in Southeast Asia over 4,500 years ago. The color orange was named after the fruit, not the other way around. Oranges are actually a hybrid of the pomelo and mandarin. Brazil is the world's largest producer of oranges, supplying over 30% of the global market. The white part inside the orange peel, called the pith, is packed with fiber and nutrients. While the blender is running, let me share some fun facts about these amazing fruits. Step 4, straining and serving. If you want a smoother texture, strain the juice using a strainer. If you like the fruit fibers, pour it straight into a glass. Add pear slices or orange wedges as garnish. Wow, look at the color. This juice has a bright yellow-orange hue, proof that it's packed with vitamins and minerals. To make it look even prettier, you can add a pear slice or an orange wedge on top. And if you love a more refreshing sensation, add ice cubes. Step 5. Closing. Yay! Our pear, banana, and orange juice is ready. This is a simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious drink. This juice is perfect for a healthy breakfast, a midday snack, or even a relaxing afternoon drink. Most importantly, it helps keep your body hydrated and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so I can keep making more recipes. If you try making this at home, let me know in the comments. You can also experiment by adding ingredients like ginger for warmth or apple for a richer taste. See you in the next video. Enjoy your fresh and healthy juice.